Ice on my neck, snowing. I'm dark skin, glowing. Off the perky, I'm rolling. Valet, park it, I'm screaming.
What's good, YouTube? It is the one and only SauceyJay, and I'm back with another lit banger video. You dig what I'm saying, man? And today, as you can see, I look a little rough because, yes, I did just wake up. And you feel me? So now I got a tripod, bruh. Got a tripod, and now today I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be heading to the beach. You dig what I'm saying? Some light, cause today is dumb hot. In a little bit, I'm gonna be going outside, and I'm gonna show y'all how hot it is. So look, I got a black tee on. You dig? And I got my pink silky do-rag. I got my bag. I can't speak loud. Bro, I look like I'm going to school, no, but I just did some clips inside. I had to come outside because it was pretty nice. You dig? But right now, I'm outside my house. Kind of waiting for everybody to come. Yo, y'all can't see my house, but y'all gonna want to come up. But yeah, man. I'm gonna be with my whole family. It's about time because we've been in quarantine for a minute. It's hot, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, look at, bro, I couldn't even get. So we had a party yesterday. It was crazy. It was lit. Basically, my whole family came. It was lit, no cap. I feel like going buying a drink right now. Because I don't want to drink water. Like, that's kind of weird for me to drink water. Look, I don't really like water, no, but I'm busting. Y'all want to check the drip? Because I got the drip today. I got the drip. No, I got the drip. Nah, I just got a black tee on with some Nike sweats. You dig? I mean, whoa, I said Nike shorts. And I got my white Crocs that look like shit because the amount of times I wore them to play outside is unbelievable. I'm going to take my do-rag off. I had it all night. So let's see if my hair actually got flat because yesterday it wasn't looking flat because of that party. Ready? I got the silky on. No, that. I got the silky on. Ready? Bro, what? Bro, my hair actually got flat though, no cap. It's about time my hair got flat because, bro, yesterday it was all right here. And the do-rag be helping you a lot, yo. If you got braids, make sure you cop a do-rag because it'll make your hair mad flat. Like, sit down so it won't look as bad as it was probably. But, yo, I'm about to go link S to the left and, you know, and kill it. Hey, you dig what I'm saying? Because they're my crew. Yeah, I'm just joking. I forgot to bring the do-rag. Mom's is cooking right now. She's making food because, you know, she's the best at making food when it comes to the family. For sure. I be coming with Killer A and my mom. About to be litty, you know that. Be litty. Look, I already got my cousin. Right. Oh shit, look at it. Right there. He was just in the last clip, I'm pretty sure. What was the last clip? Yeah, but y'all, I'ma catch y'all when I'm at when we're at the place where we're all meeting, so y'all can see the family. You dig what I'm saying? So I'ma catch y'all then. You dig? We just arrived at the beach, bro. My man's is crippled. Gang, you're crippled. Yo, we're officially at the beach, bro. It took a couple. It was like 45 minutes just to come here, right? It was like 45 minutes. Bro, I have something in my eye.
We were just talking and it didn't even feel like
exactly. But bro, the water looks nice over here, no cap. But there's mad people with the gang. There's more family members coming here, right? So it's gonna be more of us, and it's gonna be pretty loud. They're gonna wanna kick us out. Yeah, imagine. But like, it looks mad heat. I'm gonna show y'all. There's mad. This piece looks dope though. It's mad stuff. But it is mad, as you can see in the last clip. Okay. It's kind of getting windy, but it's dumb hot. No, it's like at least 90 degrees or 80 something degrees, almost at 90. But I think all the way down there is, cause somebody just got out. I mean, got down. But it's mad. Okay, I mess with it. I like this beach. Know the vibe. I think there's a stairs down there. Oh, it is dumb packed there. It is packed. I actually like this beach.
This is good for Republicans.
But that's where mad boats are and shit. Nigga, I'm finna drown. Yeah.
Why is it mad? And they have a thing here. That's
What?
They have a spot like where you have to stop.
Well, I'm happy. It's kind of whack, but this beach looks mad dope. But it looks like there's barely seaweed. We just arrived at the beach. Know that? Cause
Yo, guys.
we just arrived at the beach. Gang. This kid's crippled, but can't even swim. Yo, cuz. Shorty's about to run me over. Bro, cuz people are on the way. Relax. He's about to run me over.
Run over a crippled kid.
Oh, God, bro. You finna get dumb bread, cuz.
I should have just been like, ah!
Like, that's some bullshit. Nigga sees us coming. He comes right freaking backing up and shit. There's nothing else. Oh, shit. Bro, it's hot as hell in here. Damn, bro. I'm gonna go fill the water. No cap. Oh, it's good. I like this water. It's not hot. It's not cold.
Okay.
It's litty.
At all?
It's litty. Some ducks and stuff. But I like this water, bro. Oh, I got my sandwich. I should have never bought my slides. Like, this is lit. Yeah, they can't see my toes. Y'all can't see my toes. Hey, my son here know that. What's good, cuz? Give me a kiss. Know that. Hey, little cuz here know that.
Yo.
Bro, these ears are foul. I mean, these ears. I should slap myself. These earrings are know that. No. Damn, bro, my hair got folded. Y'all know y'all messing with my towel. Sophia the first had ass. Bro, my hair is folded. I need a do-rag. Yo, my guy is waving. Wavy. I said waving. Where is he? Dirt. Bro, he's goated. He's wavy. Yo, man, as you can see, I'm back at the crib. You dig what I'm saying? And right now, I kind of just got home. I took a shower, whatever, and I came and watched TV. But my phone ended up dying, and I did not have a charger. So, like, I couldn't even vlog the rest of the beach, you feel me? So, then now I'm home. And I'm watching Diary of the Wimpy Kid. The newest one. Geesh, my hair, I look crazy, so I had to put a towel on. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want more vlogs, y'all let me know down in the comment section. And for today, no cap, comment down Diary of the Wimpy Kid for me right now in the comment section. But you can see I'm watching it, you know what I'm saying? But later, be easy, SauceyJayYt, and we out.
Foreigner, foreigner, foreigner. Foreigner, foreigner.